Are you looking to ease pain with Pilates? Have you been told to try Clinical Pilates, but don't know why or how it can help? Well, watch this video to learn more about Clinical Pilates and how it might help you if you're suffering and dealing with nagging pain and injuries. Can you do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you're notified of all of my content as it comes out? That'd be great if you could do that. We provide content on holistic health and wellness, physical therapy, and Pilates. Have you tried everything to help your back pain? But have you tried Clinical Pilates? Is that a word you're familiar with? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know why Clinical Pilates is so helpful for people in your situation. My name is Stephen Dunn. I'm a holistic physical therapist. I've been helping patients in my clinic in Austin, Texas since 2005, helping hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of clients just like you. So one of the first reasons that Clinical Pilates is so effective is that it strengthens the lumbar multifidus muscle. Now, the lumbar multifidus muscle is a little tiny muscle. I call it the finger-like muscles because it's about the size of your finger, but it runs up and down from one vertebra to the next, or from one vertebra to 2 levels above, or from one vertebra to 3 levels above. So they're basically going from each individual segment of your lumbar spine. They're not running up and down huge areas. They're very short and small. And they're what we call the spinal stabilizers. And they're the antagonist muscles to the hip flexors. So they're on the back of the spine and do the exact opposite of what the hip flexors do. And we talk a lot about the hip flexors and the troubles that they cause. So the key with Pilates and Clinical Pilates is that you're strengthening the lumbar multifidus. And that's one of the most important pieces of the pie. Number 2, you're going to strengthen the deep abdominal muscles, and particularly the transverse abdominis. So much of the world and the fitness world and the strengthening world that we live in consists of strengthening the six-pack or the rectus abdominis. And we're way more interested in the deep transverse abdominis and the obliques than we are the six-pack. And if we can get the deep abdominals, the transverse abdominis, and the lumbar multifidus working like we discussed, then we got a much better chance of dealing with our back pain and moving forward in a positive manner. The third reason Clinical Pilates is so important, or what you will learn from it, is how to improve your posture. And you'll improve your posture from a mental standpoint as well as a physical standpoint. Mentally first, awareness to be able to change your posture, and then the strength that you obtain in the Pilates to actually hold that new posture that we're looking to obtain. So comment below and tell me how this video has helped you with your understanding of what Clinical Pilates is and why it can help you. Now go check out my website, www.pilatestotthrive.com, and join our membership videos on demand site and get 50% off for the first 2 months by using the code Pilates50. Look below in the link and comments for more information. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.